If you want to listen to your document instead of reading every line on the screen, Microsoft Word makes that really easy with the Read Aloud feature. In this video, I'll show you how to use text-to-speech in Word step by step so you can have your document read back to you. Adjust the voice, change the speed, and control the playback as you go. This is super helpful for proofreading, catching mistakes, or simply making long documents easier to review. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the document you want to hear in Microsoft Word. This can be a report, an essay, a draft email, or any other text document you're working on. Once your document is open, look at the top menu and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word keeps a lot of proofreading and accessibility tools, and that includes the text-to-speech option. Now, inside the Review tab, find and select Read Aloud. As soon as you click it, Word will begin reading your document from the current location. You'll usually see the reading controls appear on the screen, giving you options like play, pause, previous, and next. These controls let you manage exactly how the narration moves through your document. If you want to hear a section again, use the previous button to go back. If you want to skip ahead, use next. If you need to stop the audio for a moment, just click pause. And when you're ready to continue, hit play again. This makes it easy to follow along at your own pace, especially if you're checking for spelling, grammar, or awkward sentences. You can also customize the reading experience. Look for the settings icon in the Read Aloud controls. Click that, and you should be able to change the reading speed or the voice. If the narration feels too fast, slow it down. If you want it to sound more natural or easier to follow, switch to a different voice option if one is available in your version of Word. This is especially useful if you're working on a long document and want to rest your eyes while still reviewing your work. Text-to-speech can help you hear mistakes that your eyes may miss. A sentence that looks fine on screen can sound awkward when read aloud, and this feature makes those issues much easier to catch. Another great tip is to use Read Aloud before sending out an important document. Whether it's a school assignment, business report, or presentation notes, listening to your text can help you polish it faster. It's one of the simplest ways to improve your final draft without having to read every word manually. So to quickly recap, open your file in Word, go to the Review tab, click Read Aloud, and then use the playback controls and settings to manage the narration. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to use text-to-speech in Word, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.